He got the hippie shakes. For goodness sakes. Come on, Peanut, smile. Smile, honey. Should we show Daddy how many neck wrinkles there are for me to clean under? We're still not under yet. Turn your head. We're still not down there. Oh, goodness, fine. He won't do that. So he used to fit on my lap pretty well. Now, I get kicks in the boobs all the time. Just like that. Yep. Just like that. He's not going to be able to sit here much longer. Okay. Look at all those wrinkles. Oh, and I was wondering if he's got your little toe. Goodness. Come on, you gotta smile. You sure making all sorts of silly faces for Daddy, aren't you? Yes. But where's the smile? That's a face too. You can smile. What kind of breathing was that? Huh? He's gonna get mad again. Move me to a different position, Mama. Or does the naked baby want some clothes on? Huh? Huh? Naked baby wants some clothes on? See, you comb the hair, and it doesn't really stay. It gets all wild again. See that? Just the way it goes, isn't it, Peanut? Yeah.